Hello everyone. In this class we are going to recall one more concept from the chapter ratio number, that is simplification. Simplification is nothing, it's as either addition or subtraction together in a single problem. So I have taken three different types of problem and we are going to solve it in a ratio number. The first one is a minus 5 by 7 plus 3 by 5. Ratio number calculation is nothing. It's a combination of the integers and the fractions. If you are all clear with the concept fractions and integer, the ratio number calculations will be very easy. So, in an integer, when both the signs are same, we have to add and do the same sign. When both the signs are different, we have to subtract and do the bigger number sign that we learned already in the lower class. So, same concept we are going to apply here. Next one, fractions. So in the lower class we have learned fractions, addition of fraction or subtraction of fraction means we have to observe the denominator. Whether the denominators are same or different, we have to observe. If it is same, no problem, just we have to do the calculation only with the numerator or denominator. When the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM, then only we have to proceed for the calculation. So first one, 5 minus 5 by 7 plus 3 by 5. When you observe, the denominators are different. So we are going to find the LCM. When you find the LCM, it's very easy. 7 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So surely the LCM will be the product of 7 and 5. So LCM is 5 sevens are 35. Now we are going to convert each rational number into equivalent rational number with the denominator 35. So first rational number is minus 5 by 7 should be converted to the denominator 35. And then second number 3 by 5 should be converted to the equivalent rational number with the denominator 35. Now how many sevens are 35? We can write 5 sevens are 35. So without fail, we have to write the same 5 in the numerator also. 5 5s are, which is minus 25. The first equivalent rational number for the given rational number is minus 25 by 35. The next one, how many 5s are 35? Mean you are multiplying by 7 5s are. Same 7 should be multiplied here also. So 3 sevens are 21. So the equivalent rational number for the second rational number is 21 by 35. Now we are going to proceed the calculation. So the first number is minus 25 by 35 and the second number is 21 by 35. When the denominators are same, you can write only once. You can write only once and observe the numerator alone. Numerator is minus 25 plus 21. When you observe the numerator, the signs are different. When the signs are different, we have to subtract and do the bigger number sign. So, we are subtracting as usual. 25 minus 21, it is 4. Which is the biggest number? 25 is the biggest number. What is the sign of the 25? It's a negative. So, answer is minus 4 by 35. So, answer for the first problem is minus 4 by 35. Let's proceed the next second problem. It is the first one is a minus 3 by 2. It's an improper fraction. Second one, 1 by 5. So first convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction, then we can proceed further. Minus 3 by 2. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. So the LCM will be LCM for 2 and 5. 2 5s are both the prime numbers, so 2 5s are 10. First we are writing the first rational number minus 3 by 2 and converting to the equivalent rational number with the denominator 10. Then we are writing the second rational number, that is a 6 by 5, and we have to convert into the denominator. Equivalent rational number denominator is 10. Now how many 2's are 10? 5 2's are 10. Same 5 should be multiplied here. So 3 5's are minus 50. How many 5's are 10? Which is equal to 2. So same 2 should be multiplied in the numerator also. So 2 6's are 12. So we are going to proceed with the calculation. The first one is a minus 15 by 10 plus 12 by 10. The denominators are same. You have to write only once, and the numerator is minus 15 plus 12. Both the different sign, we have to subtract and get the bigger number sign. So I am subtracting 15 minus 12, that is a 3. So final answer is minus 3 by 10. So the next problem, we will continue in the next class. I hope so everybody understood the simplification of rational number. Thank you all. Bye bye.